everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the earlier video, we have done Clear Light of the Day novel by Anita Desai, in which we have discussed part 1 and part 2 of the novel. As we know, the novel is divided in 4 parts, so we have discussed already part 1 and part 2. This time I am here with the part 3 and part 4 of the novel, and after that the novel will be completed and the video session of this novel will be over. Let's get started with the part 3. Part 3 is about the very childhood period of the siblings. When the fourth child Baba was born, it takes us to that period. So let's start. Mrs. Das gave birth to her fourth and unexpected child Baba. He exhibits some growth defect, so he called her distant cousin Aunt Meera, who was a widow. So when the fourth child Baba born, so the Mrs. Das realizes some growth defects in his baby boy. So she called her cousin Aunt Meera, who was a widow, to look after the children. As a result, she took care of all the children. She became the parental figure for the children. Because she looked after for all the children, she became just like a parental one. Parents की तरह हो गई थी Aunt Meera. So she became the parental figure for the children. Aunt Meera was having a cow for fresh milk, but later cow died when a careless servant did not lock it and it fell down in the garden well. Aunt Meera as well as children was forever haunted by this incident. Here it is clearly shown that how much the children were attached to the Aunt Meera and even to her belongings. Here Aunt Meera was having one cow which used to give the fresh milk. What happened one day, the servant didn't lock the room, didn't lock the place where the cow was, and the cow went away in the garden and fell into the well and died. So this incident affected so much Aunt Meera as well as children. This is shown that the children were very attached to Aunt Meera and her belongings. Tara develops a diffident, anxious child while Bim and Raja was flourished. When Raja grew up, Tara and Bim spent more time with each other. So what happened? That Tara was a very anxious, dumb kind of girl, but the Bim and the Raja flourished so well. They were very intelligent, they have a good bond. But as the time grows on, Raja, when he grew up, he detached from the sisters and Tara and Bim became more closer to each other. But they have so many sourness in their relationship. Some fractures was there, which was that Tara abandons Bim to two minor events. First in bee attack and second when Bim asked her to smoke when Tara was in Raja's pen. So what was the reason of sourness between the sisters Tara and Bim? The first incident was the bee attack and the second incident was when Tara was in his brother Raja's pens. Bim asked her to smoke. So it was two bad incidents in the life of Tara, because of which there was a sourness in their relationship. Tara begins to grow apart from her siblings and was closer to Jaya and Sarla Mishra. This happened, now we know that there was a sourness between the sisters as well. So after that she detached from her sisters also and went with the Mishra's daughter Jaya and Sarla and started spending her time with her. So this is the part 3rd, which is telling us about the time when they were very young children and how they grew up, what was their relationship. Now part 4, as we have already discussed in earlier videos, that part 4 brings us back to the present where Tara was at the Bim's house. So Tara tries to make Bim forgive Raja. She also learns about Bim's financial problem. Tara tries to make Bim understand. Tara को समझाने की कोशिश करती है कि आप राजा को माफ कर दो, to forgive Raja, and she also come to know how financial problems are there with the Bim. Bim grows restless and angry when a letter from father's company came about financial decision. Bim now become angry because a letter from her father's company came for a financial decision. This time she is angry because Raja left her in that situation and is not with her for the financial decision, for the financial support, for handling the father's business. Raja is not there. On the second time, she angry on Baba because he don't respond, he is not ready to take any kind of responsibility. Tara and Bakul tries to convince her to seek Raja's help, or at least of Bakul, but denied. Bim was a self-independent girl. She was having self-confidence, self-independence. She was not ready to take any help from Raja and even from the Bakul. When they offered her help, she denied. Night before wedding, Bim realizes that she is taking her anger on Baba, begins to think deeply about siblings, how tightly they are interwoven. After looking Raja's some poem and an excerpt from Indian saga, she finds that she can forgive Raja. So then what happened? A night before the wedding of Raja's daughter, Bim was thinking that I am not right. I am angry on Baba, which is not right because Baba is mentally slow. He can't help me. So she come to know that after cooling down, she realizes that I was angry on Baba, which was not right. Later on, she started thinking deeply, and she was looking some poem of Raja and an excerpt, that is a video clipping from Indian saga of Raja, and then she realized that how interwoven they are, how they are interconnected with her siblings. So now she come with a sense of wholeness and peace. She thought that I can forgive Raja. Now let's see what happened the next day. Next morning, when Tara and family was leaving for Raja's daughter marriage, Bim told Tara that she and Baba can't leave the house but would love if Raja come back and brought her whole family. Next morning, when Tara, her two daughters and Bakul was leaving for Raja's daughter marriage, Bim told her that she and Baba can't leave the house and can't come to Raja's daughter marriage, but if Raja will come with his whole family, she would like it, she would love it. So this is the story where at the end all the four siblings are together. They are ready to combine, they are ready to unite. This is the story of the four siblings, which is Bim, Raja, Tara and Baba. How they faces so many problems in their life, how Bim become alone, all the responsibilities come on the Bim, but at the end Bim forgive all the Raja and ready to accept him. So this is the story of Clear Light of the Day of the novel by Anita Desai. Now we are having Anita Desai Clear Light of the Day novels 3 videos on my channel. All 3 are very important. If you look all the 3 videos, you will be very confident about the story and you would be able to answer your questions very well. So please like the video, subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you.